Hey everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will show you how to customize your Ubuntu 26.04 desktop. So this is the newest version of 2026. So go to my downloads directory, and this is the project file. You can find a link of this project file down in the description of this video. You can give me a small donation and get the project file. I will really appreciate that, guys, since I don't have any other job. And yeah, guys, I would really appreciate that. Okay, so after I got the project file, let's go ahead and extract it, and then let's go inside the project file and right click on an empty space and click on open in terminal. Okay, so when I click on open in terminal inside the project file, you're gonna have to right click and then click on open in terminal. This way it's gonna open a terminal inside that project file. As you can see that this is the path for that project file. Now I can run this script. So let's go ahead and make it executable first. So type chmod +x and then script.sh, press enter, and then after that let's go ahead and run the script. For that, type /script.sh, press enter, type my password, press enter, and it's gonna start installing all the packages. So let me quickly show you what is inside the script. So as you can see, these are a bunch of commands to install the necessary packages which we will need to customize the desktop. So while it is doing all this downloading and installing stuff, let's go ahead and click on download links, and here I have provided, by the way, press enter inside the terminal. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy and paste these links to the browser and quickly download the themes. This one is for the icon pack, and this one is for the font. Okay, so let's get the GTK theme. Download this one called Forest. Wait for 5 seconds and then you'll be able to download. Click on download, and then let's download the icon pack, which is Graphbox. Click on download, and then let's get the font. Click on this download icon, and then finally download Evolve Core. So once I've downloaded all these 4 files, I can close the browser and then go to downloads and quickly extract all of these files that I just downloaded. So this is the icon pack, and to wait for it to finish extracting, as you can see, there is a little progress bar showing up over here. Press Y inside the terminal and press enter. Okay guys, so the first script is done and it finished extracting as well, the icon pack. Okay, so let's go to my project file again, which is this one, echo drift 2, and then right click on empty space, or you don't have to do that since I'm already inside the terminal and inside my project file. So let's go ahead and run the second script. If it is not executable already, let's go ahead and make it executable first, and then run the second script, which is called script2.sh, which is this one. So run it, and it's gonna start installing the other packages. I can show you. So this is the second script. Okay, press enter. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is open up a new window and then click on show hidden files and then look for .themes, and then go to .themes and then go to downloads and then simply move the GTK theme folder, which is this one, inside .themes, which you will find under the home directory. Okay, so the second script is done as well. Now let's do the same for .icons. So go to home, then go to .icons, and then I will do the same for the icon pack. Just drag and drop these two folders inside .icons, and then let's install the font quickly. Click on install, wait till it shows installed, and once I'm done with that as well, let's go ahead and go to themes, go to appearance, let's make it dark. Okay, by the way, this is not going to be the ultimate theme, so let's go to evolve core and then click on evolve core and then click on accept. Okay, and then select the GTK theme that I've just downloaded, and as you can see that it's not gonna apply the theme immediately. You're gonna have to restart or wait a few moments for it to apply the theme. Okay, now let's go to icons and then apply the icon pack, and as you can see that it applied the icon pack, but this is not going to be the look what I am aiming for. Okay, so the next thing that I will do is open a new window again. Okay, so on the left side of the window, let's go to .icons and then go to graph plus dark, and then over here go to downloads and go to my project file and then go to project icons, then go to gray icons, and over here I'm going to simply select all of these, copy them, then go to places, then go to scalable, and over here just paste them, select this, and then click on replace. So replace all of these icons, and after that let's go here and then go to symbolic and paste them here as well. Okay, go to scalable and then paste them over here, and after that let's go to apps and then go to scalable and paste them over here as well, although I did not need to paste them inside the apps folder, but just to be sure. Okay, so once I've done all of this, go to my home directory and you'll see that the icons still looks the same. That is because I need to go to the icon pack page again, and I need to download a script to change the folders theme. Okay, so download this one, folders color chooser. Click on download. Okay, so once I've downloaded this, let's go to downloads. Okay, now over here right click and then click on open in terminal inside the downloads directory, and I can do ls, and as you can see that this is the script that I just downloaded. So let's copy the name. Okay, and after that type chmod +x and then paste the name and then enter. Now it is executable. As you can see, it is green. So let's go ahead and run the script. Okay, so to run the script, here's what I have to do. So type / and then the name of the script .sh and then space and then -c and then space again and then type gray. Press enter, and as you can see it says changed from plasma to gray. Okay, now you're gonna see that still it did not apply the icons, so we're gonna have to simply select graph plus dark and it's gonna apply the icons, since if you remember, I have changed the icons inside the graph box plus dark. So you're gonna have to select graph box plus dark while you're changing your icon pack. And once you have copied and pasted the icons inside the graph box plus dark, you're gonna have to apply the icon pack again. You can use the Evolve core to apply the icon pack, or you can just simply search for tweaks, and from here you can go to appearance and then click on icons and select a random icon first, and then select graph box plus dark again, and it's gonna apply the icon pack. Now there is a important thing that you might have noticed, and that is it still hasn't applied the GTK theme. So I'm going to quickly restart for that. Okay, let's go ahead and restart. Alright guys, so I have restarted. Now let's go ahead and open up the file explorer, which is Nautilus for Ubuntu, and as you can see, this is the GTK theme. Now there is a major thing that you already may have noticed, and that is it is missing the close button and the maximize and minimize button. So I'm gonna fix that. So for that, let's go ahead and go to dot icons, and then actually not dot icons, go to dot themes, then go to the GTK theme, and then go to GTK4. Okay, GTK4, and then open up this gtk.css file, and over here just simply Control F to open up the search box and then search for close. Okay, so over here you're gonna notice that it is shown as transparent, and over here the color is transparent, so I'm gonna make it, let's say, white. So the color is white now. Press Control S to save it, and now I'm gonna have to apply the theme again, okay, for it to work. So let's go to Evolve core. Where is Evolve core? Okay, so this is Evolve core. Let's apply a different theme first, and then apply the forest theme again, and let's open up an application, let's say calculator, and you're gonna notice that it is showing the buttons now. And don't worry about it, it's gonna show the buttons here as well once I close and reopen the application. Let me quickly show you. So where was I? Okay, so I was in dot icons, not dot icons, dot themes and GTK4. So close it, open it, and you're gonna see that it has these buttons now. Now here's the thing, I'm gonna copy this whole line. Okay, copy this one and go to search, paste it. Okay, and I'm going to actually simply remove all of these lines. So click on this button and then click on replace all and keep this place empty. So it's gonna remove all of those lines, and click on save. But before that, over here I'm gonna paste it just for this one, or else it's gonna show some boxes over here which doesn't look that good. That is why I'm gonna keep this one for this line for this section only, and I'm going to remove the rest of them. Okay, so once I've saved them, let's go ahead and apply the theme again, and let's go ahead and let's open up manager, extension manager. Okay, and it is showing all the buttons now. Yeah, but previously it was not showing all the buttons, so that is how you can fix that gtk.css issue. Okay, now don't worry about this one, guys. You're gonna have to restart again for the file explorer Nautilus to have the changes, because I don't know why. For other application, let's say if I open up calculator or other application, it changes immediately, the GTK theme, but for Nautilus it doesn't apply the theme immediately, so you're gonna have to restart for that. Okay, so I have restarted. Now let's go and check. As you can see that the buttons are showing over here, so we are good to go over here. Now let's see what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so let's go ahead and search for manager, the extension manager, and let's go ahead and go to browse and then simply search for a few extensions. First one is user themes, which is already installed, so we don't have to do that. I can go to installed and look for user themes. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's go to browse again and let's search for app menu. Okay, this one is installed as well, so let's turn it on. Okay, so this is looking good. Let's see if I need to install something. Okay, so I'm going to install blur my shell. Click on install, click on install. So wait till it shows installed and then go to install blur my shell. Okay, so everything looking good. Now let's go to my project file and right click on empty space, click on open in terminal, and over here now I'm going to simply run this script. Okay, so I can just simply ls and copy this name, restore gnome settings.sh, copy that // and then paste it, press enter, and it's gonna apply the extension settings for us. Okay, all right guys, now let's go ahead and add some applications to the dock. So for the sake of this video, let's quickly just add some random applications for now. I need the terminal obviously, and then some other applications. Now let me quickly show you. By the way, let's just apply that wallpaper first, because it doesn't go with the theme that we are looking for over here. So go to my project file, then go to walls, and over here I have provided these wallpapers that you can apply. Let's go ahead and apply a wallpaper, this or maybe one of these. All right, so let's go ahead and quickly show you how you can change the particular icon. Let's say Firefox. As you can see that it doesn't go with the theme, so let's go ahead and change it. So type for menu editor, click on menu editor, and by the way, inside my project file, go to project icons, then go to icon, and over here you're gonna have some icons. So let's go ahead and apply this icon for the Firefox. So let's go ahead and apply this icon for the Firefox. So let's search for Firefox inside the menu editor app. Click on it, click on browse files, and go to downloads, and go to my project file, and then go to project icons, then go to icon and select the icon that I want to apply. Click on apply and click on the save button and give it a few seconds, and it's gonna automatically apply the icon. Let's try and change this icon as well, which is called app center. Okay, click on browse files, and I will do the same for this one as well. Project icons, then icon, and let's say maybe this one. Click on apply, click on save, and give it a few moments. As you can see that it applied the icon. Okay, so basically you can apply any icon you want for a particular application. using this method. And then I'm going to, let's just hide the dot files. Okay, you can make the icons a bit larger like that if you prefer that sort of style. Okay, though I don't need that anymore, I can delete that folder. And you're gonna find the wallpapers here as well inside the home directory. Let's go ahead and apply the Conky now. So search for Conky Manager and go to settings, toggle this on, go to location, click on add, and then right click on show hidden files, and then over here go to .config, and here select Conky, click on open, select it, and then click on OK, and then just simply refresh. And as you can see that these are the 3 Conky theme that I've provided, that I've included inside the project file. So this is one, this is the second Conky theme, and this is the third Conky theme, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so that is how you apply the Conky theme. Now let's say if you want to, you have to change the weather information for your exact location. For that, you can go to Conky Manager and select one of these Conky themes, basically the theme that you're currently running, and then click on this folder icon. Okay, and it's gonna take you to .config, and then Conky folder. You can click on Conky folder, and over here go to weather and open up the weather.sh and simply add your city ID and API key, which you can find from the page. By the way, if you read this file, the instruction how to change the weather information, just go to this page and get your API key and city ID, and then just copy and paste that inside the weather.sh that I just showed you. So that is how you can get your exact weather information. And this whole theme is based on 1080p resolution, but if you want to do some adjustment, just go to Conky Manager. Let's say it is on a different position, you can actually select it and then click on this gear icon and then just change the position from here and click on apply, and it's gonna change the position like that. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and open up Ulauncher and click on preferences, and let's do F2, and for the color theme, all right, this looks good, so this is gonna work. Okay, so cappuccino, mocha, teal, you can use this theme. Launch at login. Okay, so if I press F2 on my keyboard, okay, so the F2 key is not working for some reason. Let's go to keyboard settings. Okay, let's go to view and customize shortcuts, and then over here custom shortcuts, add shortcut, name Ulauncher, command is going to be Ulauncher, Ulauncher, Ulauncher as well. Set shortcut, I'm gonna go for F2, click on add. Okay, now it's working. So I had to manually add the shortcut. So every time I press F2, it's gonna open up the Ulauncher and I can search for anything. Let's say Twix, press enter and it's gonna open up Twix. So yeah guys, so this is our launcher. By the way, let's change this icon, it doesn't look good. Go to menu editor, search for C matrix, click on browse icons. Let's see, let's apply I don't know, just add a random icon, and don't worry, it's not gonna change the next time I restart. Okay, so there's that, as you can see, C matrix. Okay, so I have a menu over here. It's the calendar, everything looking good. Now finally, let's customize the terminal. So go to preferences, and let's see, I think this one will go with the theme. Yep, this one. And you can install fish. So click on this fish commands. So fish is actually very useful when you are working on the terminal. It's actually pretty useful because it gives autocomplete feature and some other features, which is pretty handy. So let's copy and paste these lines one by one. So this will make the fish shell the default shell. And finally, let's go ahead and remove new fish over here. Press enter and save the fish greeting. Okay, now this is our new terminal, as you can see, and it's gonna give you some cool features. Let's say if I type something, it's gonna show some suggestions. And actually, the thing is, because of the color combination, is not showing everything. Okay, as you can see, it's showing me all these suggestions. Yep, and this is actually pretty convenient and useful when you're using terminal often. So this theme doesn't really help with the color of the letters of the font, but this theme helps. So you can use this theme. Let me see which one looks better. I think this one goes with the theme more than this one. Let's see. Oh, okay, I can install fast fetch. So apt install fast fetch. Press Y. Okay, fast fetch. And you can actually apply different themes for fast fetch. I will maybe I will show that in the future. I can apply different fast fetch themes. I don't know if we have new fetch. Yep, we don't, but we have fast fetch. All right, guys, so there's that. You can do C matrix -R. You can use Kava audio visualizer. So if you play a song or a video, it's gonna show a visualizer. And these are all of these applications, other applications. Let's see, is there anything else I need to show you guys? Do we have btop? Okay, I can install btop. By the way, guys, I'm feeling a little bit sick. I got a little cold, so that is why I'm speaking a bit slowly, so I apologize for that, guys. So I can turn on btop like that. I don't really like symmetrics, but you can use pipes. Pipes is cool. Some fun commands. Pipe is a cool command. Yep. So you can go to btop, and over here you can press M to bring up the options. Then you can change the theme like that, whichever suits your current theme. Let me see which one will suit my current theme. Yep, this one looks all right. So btop is gonna show some informations. So I'm showing you some fun commands, guys, but the customization is pretty much done, and I hope you like this customization, guys. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for getting the membership. If you got the membership, you're gonna have access to all the older files, all the older project files that I've already uploaded, and all of the newer ones that I'm going to upload in the future. And also you're gonna have access to all the wallpapers and stuff. So thank you so much for getting the membership, for supporting me, supporting my work, and thank you so much for the donation. I really appreciate this. If you got the membership, this really helps a lot. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next video.